Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this stunning approved used Audi Q3 Sportback Black Edition 35 TFSI. It comes dressed in the sleek Mythos Black, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording, the vehicle has done 11,555 miles. Standing on 19-inch alloy wheels with the 5 twin arm design, making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Now showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have this stylish and comfortable leather and cloth upholstery, centre armrests for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. As you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery, the iconic S embossed logo, and front centre armrest for extra support. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift pedal for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a wide view of the navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps, for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select, to choose your preferred driving modes such as Dynamic for a more sporty drive, or Comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aid for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. And in the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below, you have the dual zone climate control so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature, regardless of the weather outside. Stay connected with the 2 USB charging points. Finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile, a 12-volt charger, and 2 cup holders for those morning coffees. This approved used Audi Q3 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.